How to apply for Etihad guest membership. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today you'll be learning how to apply for Etihad guest membership. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to log on to Etihad website using your PC using www.etihad.com, and the home page of Etihad will be displayed on your screen. Etihad is an airway platform where you can plan your travels. If you are traveling by air, you can plan your travels on Etihad. You see on the home screen, at the top left corner of the screen, you see the Etihad logo just at the top left corner of the screen. Then at the upper part of the screen, towards the right side, you see options to book your flight, to manage your flight, to state your destinations, option for help. If you need help, you can just click on that. Then you have the Etihad guest option. You can just explore the home page of Etihad, okay, just to have an overview of what Etihad is all about. Now, to apply for Etihad guest membership, you simply click on the Etihad guest option that is at the top right corner of your screen here, just like I have it here. Etihad guest is after help. You click on Etihad guest, then you wait for the page to load. So just be patient when you're on this page, because you have to just do some waiting. So once the page has loaded, you see at the top left corner of your screen, you see the Etihad logo. Then you see options like our programs here, earn miles, redeem miles, offer, conscious choices, and so on. So you can just explore this page to know what it is about. So to apply for Etihad guest membership, at the top right corner of your screen, you have three options. You have book, you have join, you have login. So you click on join, then you wait for the page to load. Once the page has loaded, just on your screen, you see the option to, at the right side of the screen, you see the options: put in your name. You type in your name just as it appears on your passport. That's on your travel passport. You type in the first name, then you move to the last name, you type it in, then you type in your date of birth here at the date of birth section. So at the lower part of it, you have the email. You type in your email address. Then once you're done with that, you'll be asked to tick the box if you accept the Etihad guests. Yes, so you click on this box that is here. Once you click on this box, the box will be ticked. You can see that as I clicked on it, it's ticked. So once you click on it to be ticked, then you scroll down the page again where you see the option, please complete the form to continue. So make sure that all these details, you fill them in. For me, I'm not I was just filling whatever, but for you that you want to apply for Etihad guest membership, you should fill in the correct details. And once you're done filling in, at the option here, you see the option to apply or to join. At the lower part of this drop down, you see the option to apply or to join. So you simply click on join or click on apply. Just anyone that you see there, and it's that simple. So that's simply how to apply for Etihad guest membership. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.